sir. My name is Anjali Jaiswar, roll number PC11, and today I will be presenting my topic Medical Device Manuals Global Dataset 2025. So for this project I have taken database from kaggle.com and used Power BI to create two interactive dashboards. These dashboards helps to visualize and analyze medical devices category, manufacturer, year-wise trend, warning, caution, and different geographical distribution. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through each chart explaining its purpose and demonstrate how selecting one visual dynamically updates the filter other visuals in the report. So first I will start with bar chart of manufacturer. For example, if I click 3 million health here, so like you can get the total devices number and count of manufacturer. So instantly in all my other chart changes, the pie chart now shows only the device class made by the data which I have selected. The warning and caution visual filter only shows the class which I have selected, and etc. So moving on to the next is pie chart. The pie chart shows the distribution of devices amongst starting with class 1, class 2A, class 2B, and class 3, etc. So these are different classes of medical devices which are sold. The dataset contains different types of medical devices which are categorized into these classes. So pie charts are excellent for showing the portions of each. So with the help of pie chart you can see which portion, like how much amount of portion belong to particular class. Starting with class 1, so we have total 29.25%, that is total is 100, out of which 29.25% is for class 1. Similarly, if we go to class 3, then 28.95% is for class 3. So you know, with the help of pie chart how we can analyze different parts taken out of 100 for specific type of medical device. Why a pie chart will make your work easier? So instead of reading 100 of rows, the pie chart tells me the data composition in 2 seconds. So therefore this pie chart analysis will help you to get your data on the point. Next I go to card visual, which is average max operating temperature. As you can see, average max operating temperature is 26.68 degrees Celsius. So this card displays the average maximum operating temperature across all the devices. Okay, so how it helps me, it gives a quick KPI, no need to calculate or filter manually. So selecting a device class recalculates the temperature. So for example, I select different class. So for class 1 the average max operating temperature is 26.66. When I click class 3, the temperature goes to 26.65. So as I select different classes, the average of max operating temperature of that medical device changes. Then we have a column chart for average weight by device class. So this chart compares the average weight of device across all the devices. So there are, as you know, class of devices, and this chart represents the average weight of each device. For example, as you can see, the average weight of class 2 is 15.41 and for class 3 is 15.71. So as you can see, there is not very much differences in average of weight of class of device. Therefore you can see the column charts are almost similar. So it shows which class of device tends to be heavier or light. So you can analyze accordingly which device will be heavy or which device will be light. In medical devices, weight often correlates with complexity, size, and risk of the class. So therefore this column chart is very important. So in some cases, as you have so many devices to choose between, this column chart will help you. Moving on to the next, that is 100% start column chart, that is warning versus caution by the devices. So the blue ones are sum of total of warnings and The purple ones are the cautions. Okay, so for example, as we go for anesthesia, so you can see for anesthesia the sum of warning is around 42.24%, and for caution it is 57.76%. So with the help of this chart, you can analyze different types of medical devices. What will be the, like if you want to choose between around 10 medical device, by keeping them in in this chart, you can analyze which will be more safer and which will be more reliable to used. Next we go to the map. So the map is shows where the device manufacturers are located globally. So this map shows the manufacturer of the devices where they are located. For example, here we can see different colors represents different class, and you can see here at around New York, you can see there are different manufacturer. So they basically belongs to North America, a part of North America. So this map gives geographical visibility, shows concentration zones of medical device manufacturing, and instead of reading manufacturer address, this map visually shows where it is located. Therefore it is very easy to locate things. So these two are slicer. This is of class 1. Like if you choose class 1, everything will be according to class 1. Then class 2, everything related to class 2 will be shown. And similarly for class 3, as you can see. So if you want to analyze particular class with the help of this slicer, you can. And similarly we have for manufacturer 2. So let's assume we want to go for manufacturer Coloplast. Operates or produces are highlighted here, as you can see, and what it specially does. So he is responsible for orthopedic implants, and you can see every data related to it. So this slicers helps you to narrow down your broad data. Next we go to dashboard number 2, starting with first. This is a funnel chart. So this chart shows the device by class of percentage form. So funnel chart is used to, like from larger quantity to smaller quantity. As you can see, the class 1 is 788, that is sum of total device, how many device are manufactured from class 1, and like on the basis of the number it will funnel down, or from the broad to the small it will funnel down your categorization. So we have more numbers starting with class 1, which is 788. Then we have class 3, which is 780, and third we have class 2A, which is 383, and class 2 is 376, and class 3B is the lowest, which is 367. So you can see how it funnels down on the basis of the quantity, and you can add different filters for horizontal and vertical distribution. Next we have donut chart. So donut chart is similar to the pie chart. It is sum of total of device by class, as you can see. If you choose class 1, you will get data segregated according to it. So class 1, the total sum of amount you can see here, it is 788. Similarly, if you choose class 3, you will get your amount, which is 780, and the other things will be highlighted as per your selected class. You can see the change in line chart, like how the count of the device name by year is changing with the change in donut chart. Okay, so donut chart helps are visually appealing and easy to interpret, useful for summarizing the data set in one snapshot. This chart again filters the entire dashboard when selections are made. Next we go to the line chart of this data set. So this chart shows how device registration changed from 2016 to 2024. So how registration of device changed from the time course of 2016 to 2024. You can see, if we go to class 2A, you can see the trend in change in registration process from 2016 to 2024 of class 2A medical device. So instead of reading dates one by one, we can see clear year wise pattern with the help of line charts. Therefore it is very important. Then we go to the next, which is ribbon chart. So this is sum of total devices by year. So the total amount of device by year is shown with the help of ribbon chart. So as you can see, there is an option of drill up and drill down. So if you drill down and see, so you will get it segregated as per the quantity to class 1 sum of total device. So you can drill up and drill down to know the exact value of the class of medical device which is sold. Then here we have matrix table of the manufacturer and the device, the number of device they manufactured, starting with Abbott manufactured 55 medical devices. Then we have uh, the company which is Dexcom. This also manufactured 54 devices. Total we have 2694 devices. And you can see here also we have manufacturer slicer, so that you can see the change in the data as per manufacturer. And similarly we have the class, so that the data will be changed according to it. Let's see for class 3. See, there is change in the line chart and also in the funnel approach on it is change here. So you can, as I change different class of medical device, the various changes are seen, and this helps to analyze data in more precise manner. So you can choose different and this is very specific here, like you can choose different manufacturer, and in that manufacturer also you can choose different class of the medical device they produce. So this is very important and this helps you to segregate everything. So yeah, this is my overall dashboard of Power BI. To conclude, my dashboard provides a comprehensive understanding of medical device manual, global data set 2025. Using Power BI, I could analyze device class, manufacturer, and warning efficiently. The pie chart, bar chart, and map helped to simplify complex data. Cross filtering allows deeper insight to just one click. Trend, safety pattern, and geographic distribution became easy to interpret. Overall, this project made me understand how Power BI can convert large data into clear, actionable insight that support quick decision making in medical device domain. Thank you so much, sir, for listening my presentation very patiently, and a great thank you for teaching us this subject of Power BI and making complex data to understand in easy manner. Thank you so much, sir.